pulwag yung usul kami ge anak amtel penentarai anak amtel dora ge kami yang dua dia kenapa gabungusin yang kami pangalan orang ini ginoni ge penentarai dia ge ngakai और sebenarnya penting ge और dari dia na sinagawa na dia gigas situ tuh dia tadi mungkin orang yang benar juga pikir ante iyo iya kan dia gigas ge akan dori na kai patilan akan ama dia apa nama tua sebenarnya penting kamu Welcome again, our distinguished guests. Welcome, welcome. On behalf of our community, we would like to call upon one of our elders who will be giving us a formal speech on behalf of all the Kiribati community here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. Thank you. Asama ka no quando mane yo the basic to mo de kanya na ko na dera smell usmai na ko ya raiwa ai de te yo. Asama na dopo no bure.
Excellency, Madam Mayor of this village, Fafete, thank you very much for coming. These are your group of visitors from the island of Tungaru, Kiribati. Then it's going to pray, cultural values that we brought from home. And those cultural values will upgrade us or develop us both in our socio-economic development. Wherever we say, you've been taught all these principles, but for this time, you need to be reflect those things, walk the talk, show it in your life, show its fruit, manifest it in the way you talk, manifest it in the way you serve your leaders, respect them, honor the place, and make it a supporting factor to the 3 P's of Aotearoa. The 3 P's are ensure that you participate in whatever policy the government gives you. Participation. Do it properly. The second P is you have to work so that you will bring forth prosperity to this country. Don't be destructive. Plant and do whatever you have been told by the political leaders and the church leaders and whoever take the lead. peacemaker. Ang kanito sa talagang layo. O ito natin council of man, yung doon na ako na dahil na kayo sa mga yan. Nasi mo asi mo may ganong peryon ko. Today ang kaya ito lang tapunin na They went into ang kaya ito lang tapunin na yung ayara. No yan din ay biya kita diyan may. Kaya una ba? Ibuwasin. May yung mga kawi. Ako tayo kumating yan ba? Ang ngayon na tayo mga mahal, may kasi yung komentabo yung kakao. Sigurado nga. Ang kakawali yung natandano. Ay natay. Kung kayo ba? Ang ano yung mga tandara ka dito ba? Kayo ba? Alin ka ka ito, alin ko, ayun. Okay. Sir. So today, I am very happy and I am very proud of my country. There is a saying that wherever your treasures are, your heart is also there. We all come because our treasure is our homeland. We like it. We are united by the kind of feeling patriotic. We have that heart in us. So we have to work hard. And we respect who are coming today. Thanks very much for leaving your commitment and coming to share the ceremony that we are having today. We hope that you will be enjoying what your brothers and sisters here have prepared for you. So be seated and may God bless us from the beginning to the ending. I remember that you are a time of the melting. Right? Thank you very much.
Ayun siya de sima wala yung kakainin kita sa kanya makakita. Ali ang garo pag garo yo. Ayan, bay.
Ako tabi sa kanang kuan ang marorong mana ko rag tapalin. Iya. Tada ang mana sa kanang kuan wayo kuana. Demamali. Kada kaya na sa plastic mo. Go up.
Thank you. Honorable member with us, and for those of you who are about to join us, thank you for joining us. The first part of the celebration we did was a signature that we have some visitors heading our way. That's where they perform in there. When you come into the island, there's someone who will be looking over you, the island, and if there's some intruders or something else, that's where the circulated. So those people who are in their Papai or in their country, or while they're country authorities, it's a signature for them to prepare to get themselves ready, whether it's for peace, for other bits and pieces, but mostly like we are the peaceful makers. So for that, we're so grateful that this year we celebrate our 40th Independence Day. And thank you again for joining us. Before I go on, a bit of housekeeping. As you can see, where the entry is, please utilize them for anything touch wood, so we do not have any what you call earthquake around. There's exit there, the restroom are right in front of you as you go around as well. And then we make the most of it. Okay? Make sure to follow the instruction here. A second point where the car park is. Further ado, I would like to call upon the Equinoya to introduce our distinguished guests here who is with us tonight, or this afternoon, rather, excuse me, during this morning. Okay? Make an hour. Now we'll introduce our guests for us to select. Okay.
MPP
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now presenting the New Zealand flag alongside the Universe flag. And I would like to ask each and one of you to rise up, and we're going to sing the national anthem of New Zealand, followed by the Universe national anthem as well. So I would like to ask all of you to all run, please. I would like to call upon our police officers who are with us, who will raise our flag for us during this ceremony. We're going to raise the New Zealand national flag first, and we're going to all sing, and I would like you to join with me.